Welcome to this Easy Tech Fixit channel, and we are going to answer a question that I actually got from a few viewers that are asking what is the difference between a locked and a unlocked phone. Now, for a lot of you tech enthusiasts out there and people that love technology, it probably is a very obvious question. But for a lot of people, this is something they don't really understand. And one of the things that happen very often is somebody will say, oh, well, my phone broke. And somebody will say, oh, well, I got a phone that you can use. I'll give it to you. But then find out that it doesn't work and they don't understand why. And it has to do with locked versus unlocked most of the time. Carriers can lock phones if they want to. That means when you use your smartphone, it is only usable on that company that you actually have your contract with. And so that is a locked phone. It's very popular that there are locked phones out there. Some countries like Canada have decided to take action and decide that locked phones are now illegal, but there's still a lot of places around the world where locked phones are still the norm. So that prevents you from actually moving from one company to the other. Pretty much the only reason why you lock a phone, honestly, is to make sure that you just don't change company. If your phone is unlocked, what happens is now it can connect to any other company as long as it has that SIM card or that chip that tells it how to use another company's network. That also means that if you're not happy, an unlocked phone can be converted by changing the SIM card and used on another company's network. And so you can change company easily with the same phone. So that is the difference between a locked and unlocked phone. A locked phone is only on the company that you have. An unlocked phone is capable of running on pretty much any provider of telephone, smartphone service, basically. Now, can a locked phone be unlocked? Most phones have the ability to be unlocked. There are procedures out there that can enable you to unlock a phone. There are businesses that actually thrive on the fact that they can unlock your phone and charge an amount to unlock it. Some providers will actually let you unlock the phone. They will you can call your phone provider and say, can I have my phone unlocked? But some companies will charge you for that, and some companies will refuse to do that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.